Recommendations and Guidance Part 1. Get helpful advice and discover useful insight on how to use TikTok. Use hashtags to build your following. Kristen Hancher has become one of the biggest beauty and dance stars on the internet. She grew her fan base by tagging her videos with the hashtag Dance with Kristen. This means that when her fans use the hashtag with their videos, they were advertising for her channel and also creating a community where they could see other fans' content too. Live chats. TikTok users can also participate in live chats with their fans. This has proven to be very successful. Ultimately, the fans feel like you are making yourself more accessible so that they can develop a personal relationship with you. If this seems nerve-wracking, develop a plan. Create an outline regarding what you will say or demonstrate. Display this plan next to your recording device. By setting up an outline, you will feel very confident because all that is left to do is to follow the steps you've made in advance. Create products. If you are interested in making your own products, promote this on your channel and profit from it. Have a crafting business? Let's say you make trendy ceramic artwork. Set up a super quick how-to video to show off your methods and bring attention to your most beautiful work. Just casually mention that you also sell this artwork on your website and include the link in your bio. You are effectively capturing an audience that likes your work and finding people that you can sell to. Develop fame. Lauren Gray, Baby Ariel, Jacob Sartorius, and Kristen Hancher are some of the most followed TikTok stars out there, and they've made hundreds of thousands of dollars on their social media channels. Celebrities used to be actors and musicians, but the times have changed. You can be famous simply by creating content and posting it online. There are people out there making careers from posting viral videos. Pro tip. Trends and strategies evolve as the platform changes. Features get modified or added in time, and this could change the way you use the app. Follow top influencers on TikTok to find out what works well for them and incorporate this into your strategy. It is important to be creative, but don't reinvent the wheel if you don't have to. Link your TikTok account to other social media platforms. As discussed earlier, you shouldn't limit yourself to earning money through TikTok alone. While TikTok is a widely used platform on its own, linking your TikTok account to other social media accounts like Instagram and YouTube can help you increase your reach. Maximize on the audiences that your TikTok videos capture. Increase your chances of getting discovered. Use the following steps to link TikTok to your YouTube channel and Instagram account. Navigate to the TikTok profile tab, select Edit Profile, and tap Add YouTube or Instagram. Publish content at peak times. It's easier to get better engagement rates once you establish the day or time of when your audience is highly active. On the Pro account, you can reference the TikTok Analytics section showing specific days and hours your audience is most active. Pro tip, TikTok displays the analytics data in UTC time. In other words, you'll have to do a time zone conversion to determine when your audience is most active. Collaboration. Are you a one-man show or a one-woman show? Maximize on collaborating. The truth is, it doesn't always pay off to work alone. Find a friend or make a friend with an equally sized fan base. If you find a creator with a much higher number of followers, he or she won't want to work with someone that has a much lower follower count. Drive your audience to follow each other for a mutually beneficial outcome. You can use the TikTok's duet option that offers an easy way to create a music video with someone who shares the same taste in music.